In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Canva website one page. If you've started a website in Canva and realized it has multiple pages, don't worry. Converting it to a clean, single-page layout is quick, and keeping everything on one page can simplify navigation and make your content easier to scroll through on mobile. Let's walk through it clearly, from start to finish. First, open your website design. Head into Canva, and from your dashboard, click on the website project you want to edit. This opens the editor where you can see your canvas in the center and your controls around it. Give it a moment to load all your elements so nothing is missing while you make changes. Next, check the Pages panel. In the Canva website editor, you'll see a horizontal strip of page thumbnails along the bottom. Each thumbnail shows a mini view of a page and a label like Page 1, Page 2, and so on. If you see more than one thumbnail there, your design is currently a multi-page website. Page 1 is typically your top or home section. Page 2, Page 3, and any others are additional sections that create separate pages when published. If you have lots of pages, you can drag the bar or scroll to see them all. Now it's time to delete the extra pages. Click the thumbnail for Page 2 to make sure it's selected. With Page 2 active, choose Delete Page. Depending on your view, this option may appear in a small toolbar near the page, in a right-click menu, or as a trash icon on the thumbnail. Confirm the deletion if prompted. You'll notice the remaining pages automatically renumber, so what used to be Page 3 will become the new Page 2. Repeat that process for every extra page until only a single page remains. Always keep Page 1. That's your single-page website. After each deletion, glance at the bottom panel to verify there's just one thumbnail left. If you remove a page by mistake, use Undo right away to bring it back. While you're deleting, remember that removing pages permanently takes out any content on those pages, so make sure anything you want to keep has been moved onto Page 1 beforehand. When you're done, your design will show only one thumbnail labeled Page 1 in the Pages panel. That's your confirmation that the website is now a single-page layout. And that's it. You opened your website design, checked the page thumbnails, and removed the extras. With one page in place, you're ready to refine the flow of your content and present a simple scrollable experience.